Today we're upgrading our old-fashioned trail camera straps and setting up this awesome new trail cam mount from Wildares. But first, fun fact. Although trees are awesome, they make awful cameramen. So why do we expect them to hold our trail cameras and get good shots for us? For years, I've strapped my trail cams to random trees. They blow in the wind or are slightly bent, making the trail cam point in a weird way. It's hard to get good camera angles of the wildlife. I've tried so many different methods of mounting and angling the trail camera, and I'm always underwhelmed with the results. As a photographer, I really care about the angle I'm capturing. So when I saw this trail cam mount, I had to have it. The trail cam mount comes shipped to your door with a super heavy-duty strap that has metal teeth for maximum lockage. It comes with hardware, as well as your adjustable trail cam mount. The mount is made out of a high-quality metal that is rust-resistant and is designed for long-lasting uses in any conditions. It's super sturdy and durable, and it has sharp teeth on the bottom that dig into whatever you screw it down to, so that you can make sure it stays and your camera doesn't move. You can use the provided hex key to tighten this thing down. Since it's all metal, it really grips and doesn't move. The trail cam mount has a standard tripod screw on the end. This screws into the bottom of most trail cameras. This is a game changer for sure. Now for the first time, I can pick the angle we're going to film exactly, and I know the perfect spot. There's a giant tree that overlooks our creek. I spent the past year clearing it out, and now that it's clean, the spot sees it all. So first, put your strap through the back of the trail camera mount, and move your strap out of the way. Then take your provided screws and bolt down the trail cam mount. After all your screws are in, you can take the strap and tighten it around the tree for added support. Although this is a nice backup, you can probably get by with just the mount. It's really strong. After you get everything set up the way you want, you can screw on your trail camera. There's a little locking ring on the bottom that you can use to hold the trail cam in place. Once you get that angle perfect, you're all good to go. That night, I got this really cool clip of deer running and jumping over the creek. There were so many walking through that night, and some had even begun to shed their antlers. Now, I know I can go hunting for wild deer antlers. They might be in our woods. So I went back out to check the trail cam and change the batteries. Then a wild cat spawned out of the tree and scared me. This trail cam mount is so good that it spawns animals out of thin air. Not only that, but it held up even through the coldest temperatures and bad weather. This is an angle that I couldn't get before, and now I have a new part of the farm covered thanks to Wildares. So if you're looking to get that perfect angle that a tree and a strap couldn't get, this trail cam mount might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go see what happened on the trail cam today. See ya.
Oh my, where'd you come from? What?